All right, everyone, we're back here at Tanner's Orchard, Thursday afternoon, 3 o'clock, cooking with Grandma Tanner. And what was your name? Mimi?
Nana Kelly.
Nana Kelly.
Yes.
All right. And they are going to be cooking Grandma Tanner's one-pot goulash, which I think Nana Kelly helped Grandma Tanner come up with this recipe.
It's very good. So we have already taken our ground beef, our onion, pepper, paprika, and garlic, and fried that all together and got all the flavors good to go. So now we're going to pour in our can of diced tomatoes.
Juice and all.
Yep, juice and all. And then we're going to take this can, which is 14.5 ounces. Now it does say 15 ounces in the recipe, but you know, just
you can just put a little more in there.
Just pick one.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, it don't matter.
Then we're going to take this Bloody Mary mix, which Tanner sells. And I have to say, I had this in my cupboard for probably a year and a half before I used it.
And now she's buying it by the case.
Well, not quite, but I am buying it. So we are just going to pour this in our can. Woo! There's that asparagus. Don't put the asparagus in.
We'll have to fish that out.
We will.
You have to eat that.
Oh, there's just a little dab
Yeah,
left.
we're just
Might as well just.
Yeah, so we're going to dump that in.
And there's just a little dab left because I made this
Before.
yesterday.
Yep.
So we'll just dump all that.
Yep, we're going to dump that in there.
That'll make it real good.
Yep. And it says 3 cups beef broth. We're just going to use 4 cups just because that's how we cook. That's how.
Because, I mean, otherwise the last cup is going to sit in the fridge and rot.
That's right. So just dump it all in.
Just add a few extra noodles.
There you go. See?
We can.
Yep.
Well, you don't want to add too many, just like 6.
Well, you know what? I did it yesterday and it came out real nice and thick.
All right. So we're going to do that. All right. And then we're going to add our spices. We've got Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, however you say it. Everybody knows what it is. 2 tablespoons.
That gives it a good flavor. We have a little bit of an audience in here, and I'm sure he's gonna want to eat some of that.
Sky is here. Oh, there's a Deeth. Sky's here watching today.
All right.
He's one of Grandma Tanner's biggest fans.
We're going to add our Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons.
We'll get this all stirred up together
Teaspoon
here.
of salt.
Quite a bit of liquid here, but when you put the macaroni in there,
It just sucks it all up.
then you just simmer it for a little while.
Mm-hmm.
So do you put a bay leaf in yours or no?
Well, the original recipe said a bay leaf. Whenever I've made it, I've never had bay leaves, so I don't ever put them in.
Yeah.
But then the next time I went and bought bay leaves, so I will put it in the next time. So if you got it, it's no big deal. If you don't,
But then you take it out. Now, I did have crushed bay leaves
So did you just
in my cupboard. No. Okay, so now
Okay.
we put this back on the stove and bring it to a low boil.
You don't.
and this does smell really good before it's simmering.
Oh yeah, it's really good.
So you bring it to a boil and then put the pasta
and then
in.
we put the macaroni in. Yep.
And it's just the raw macaroni.
Yep.
We have 2 cups here. Since we did put a little bit extra, you know what? I'm just gonna pour just a little bit more macaroni in there. This is a nice macaroni.
And if you come over here, Jenny, you can see it's with all these spices. It's It's got good stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
So it's got lots of flavor.
That's what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight is goulash.
Yes. So we just gotta let that get hot.
Maybe I'll just take one of these pots home.
There you go.
I got hamburger. I gotta cook it. It's in the fridge.
It's in here.
No, it's at home.
Mm-hmm.
Now, did you guys do, just 1 pound ground beef? See, I always use 2 pounds.
Well, you could.
I think you could use 2 pounds, especially, you know, I mean, this is a 2-quart.
Yeah.
And we ate just a little bit out of that. I brought some down here for you guys to eat.
Yeah. I bought a pound of sausage because I only had a pound of hamburger in the fridge. So.
I think if you added 2 pounds of meat, you might add a little bit more juice.
Yeah.
So.
I don't know. I just add stuff. Once in a while, I even throw a jar of spaghetti sauce in there if I need it.
There you go.
One thing with goulash, you can just about whatever you have on hand. It all, but with these different flavors or different spices and everything in that Bloody Mary, this really gives it a good flavor.
I have made it, the first couple times I made it, I did not use the Bloody Mary mix because I just did think to do it. And when I made it with the Bloody Mary mix, it gave it a really nice little kick. Not a lot, just a good kick to it. So I think I would do it with the Bloody Mary mix, but I think you have to use your Bloody Mary mix by itself. And what I mean is I made chili and I used half Bloody Mary mix because I didn't have a whole bottle and tomato sauce, and I couldn't taste the Bloody Mary mix as much. So I think you need to just do Bloody Mary mix by itself if you use it to get the full flavor.
Are you boiling yet? Watch
getting
pot
there.
never
We're getting
boils.
there. Oh, we're getting there.
Should have heated the Bloody Mary mix up.
Oh, it's coming.
Put the lid on it. Turn it on high.
Well, it's on pretty much.
So anyways, while we're waiting for that to boil, let's see what you made, Grandma, see what it looks like here. This is cold. You had this in the fridge?
Yes, I had it in the fridge. Now that's one pound. It's just like this recipe, and we did use I did use the whole
Thing of, yep.
the 4 cups.
Okay. So there you go.
And it came out really nice. So I think it's better just to use all this.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can put, when it's hot, you dish it, when Sky gets a bowl of it, we can I have some sharp cheddar cheese. We can put that on top. You can put a little bit of sour cream.
That's what I was going to say, sour cream.
Squirt a little sour cream on there and stir that in. He's shaking his head no.
You don't like sour cream?
No sour cream?
Oh, goodness.
He would probably like this. This is what he
Yes.
wants on there.
Yeah.
So we're still open till 8 o'clock, and we have these 3 boys usually that come in and do all the cleaning and the mopping. So they will probably eat a whole thing tonight.
Probably.
That will be their supper.
There you go.
So
Yeah, we got October 3rd. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow's
tomorrow's Halloween,
the last day we're open till 8 p.m.
and all the little pumpkin and apple sippers that we have left with cider, all the little kids get that.
Oh, yeah. For
Tomorrow
trick or
for
treating.
Halloween. That's their trick or treat.
As long as they last, yep.
As long as they last. And so Saturday,
8 to 5.
8 to 5, closed on Sundays.
Yep.
Starting November 1st.
And then I think they're going to start tomorrow with our stock up for winter sale.
Oh, awesome.
So we have you can buy 3 Bloody Marys and get 1 free. Or you can buy a jar of jam, a jar of salsa, a Bloody Mary, and a soup mix. And you buy 3, get 1 free. Mix and match on a lot of stuff. The apples will be on sale. They're buy 2, get 1 free of equal or lesser value.
Candy's on sale.
Candy's on sale.
Licorice is on sale.
Yep. Coffee. A lot of buy 2, get 1, buy 3, get 1. cider is buy 3 get 1, I think. So all through November, as long as supplies last.
Our little sweetie pie pumpkins. If you haven't gotten your little children that pumpkin, it's buy 1 get 1 free.
Yeah.
The little sweetie pies, and we have really been selling a lot of them.
Yeah.
And then we also have our food pantry. I was trying to think, Cans for Care campaign. So for every item that you bring in for the food pantry, it can be food, it can be a toothbrush, it can be toilet paper, it can be any household item or food. And for every one you bring in, you can get 30% off of a non-food, non-sale item. So if there was a pitcher that you wanted in here, or dish towel or whatever, you can bring in 5 things for the food pantry, and you'll get 5 items 30% off that are non-food, non-sale. So right now, I know the food pantries are all bagging for donations. So not only are you donating to the local food pantry, but you get a little plus for it. So I hope you guys all come out. This will be all through November, 8 to 5, Monday through Saturday, closed on Sundays, start November 1st. How's that looking, Kelly?
It's a coming. It's a coming. Yep.
That's the slowest part, huh?
Yes.
But
You know, I really wonder, this just came to me, I wonder if you could do everything up to this point, put it in your crock pot. This would be done when you got home, and then all you'd have to do is add your macaroni.
yeah.
Put it on low.
Yeah.
Well, you don't want to put the noodles in the crock pot.
No,
I
that
learned.
would be
I
added
learned the hard way on that one. I did egg noodles, and it was just starch. Like
They were
it was
mashed.
like flour. Like somebody had dumped a cup of flour in them. I tried. I'm the laziest cook ever, so.
Oh,
all
Jenny,
right.
you're a good cook.
So I think.
All the apples are picked. There were
Yep.
some people wanting to pick apples
But
today.
yeah, we picked. They
We
picked
have
them.
not had a hard freeze, so the flowers are looking fairly good out there, most of them.
We still have mums left.
Yep.
A few.
And we'd have some bigger pumpkins.
Yep.
The jack-o'-lantern, we still have them.
Yeah, so you gotta get out here and get those tomorrow. Carve them. But. And Sky, you're out here visiting.
31 now.
You're 31? Oh, yeah, you
He
just
had
had
a
a birthday.
birthday.
Yeah,
That's
nice
right. Wow. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'd sing to you, but I'm really bad at it.
You don't have to.
Good. I mean, I would if you made me, but it's everybody quit watching for sure. All right. Well,
We're getting there. We're starting to bubble.
So once this boils, then we can just kind of turn it down to a slow simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, and we dump this macaroni in it, and it doesn't take very long for that to cook up.
All right, I think I'm just gonna.
close enough. It's hot.
Yeah, we're boiling. We're bubbling.
It is boiling.
Yeah.
Now yesterday when I made it, I dumped it in,
Got all our
took it
goodies.
off the burner, and put the lid on, and came down here to the market, and when I went back up about an hour later, it was all done.
There you go. All right. Well, there you have it. Grandma Tanner and Nana Kelly. My memory's terrible.
Nana Kelly.
No.
Yep.
Nana Kelly?
Yep. Some are Nana Kelly, some is Grandma Keyser.
There you go.
So
they made Grandma's one pot goulash.
yeah.
And it is really good. I had a
And
little
Kelly
sample.
enjoys cooking and coming up with these
Yeah.
recipes and for her family, and so it's very exciting to have her help me.
Yeah.
All right. Well, remember, starting Saturday, 8 to 5, Monday through Saturday. Closed on Sundays in November. And then our last day will be November 29th. We have our Santa breakfast tickets on sale. Limited amount of tickets. Only 150 tickets can we fit in the market for that breakfast. And then we also have online, you can order your Thanksgiving pies, pumpkin bars. Oh, what else did I put on there?
Tea cakes.
Tea cakes. Yep, pumpkin bars and tea
Yeah.
cakes. So, all right. Well,
And you know, we have the best Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus.
Oh yeah.
This will be their what, 4th year?
Fourth or
They
fifth,
are
fifth, maybe.
fantastic.
Yep.
Mr. and
I
Mrs.
think it's been longer than that because Jill
Probably.
started it.
Sure.
So, alrighty. Well, thanks for watching, everybody.